the being excited.
Yeah.
Obviously, soldier here. When am I supposed to be excited? Do I be excited before I wrap my hands around the problem, or because I don't, I don't want to come off as I'm just excited to talk to, I don't know. Like, do I do it
Yeah,
after
when
I have my
I
hands around the
say
problem now?
excited, I want to make sure I'm clear here. I don't mean, hey, I'm excited, right? Like, I don't mean I've had an energy drink, right? That's not what I mean when I'm excited. Excited means I'm passionate about my job. Excited means I want to talk to you. And what I meant in my monologue before is we're too cool for school, all of us, right? Hey, Bill, it's Matt over here at Easton University. Wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our sales coaching for financial services. I'm on my mobile 720. By the way, that was outstanding. That was a 10 out of 10 in the words you should say. This is it being excited. Hey, Bill, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. I wanted to reach out to you personally to make sure that my people got you all the information you needed on our sales coaching for financial services. This number's my mobile that I walk around with. I'm very, very excited to talk to you. Call me absolutely anytime, Bill. 720-660-3202, right? That's exciting. I don't have to be animated to be excited. When Bill hears that second message, he's going to be like, dang, this guy just gives a crap, right? Like, I owe it to at least give him a call back. So I want you to be, short answer is, I want all of us to be excited the entire way through, right? We should care about our job, right? Like, it's a privilege. Like, I get to go to work today, I get
So I
to.
can reference that multiple times, like throughout the sales process.
I'll be unnatural about it, but I think maybe the most important time you need to reference it is with yourself before you make calls. Like, be grateful that you get to make these calls. Be grateful that you get an opportunity to help somebody. Remind yourself of the outcomes that you guys deliver and the wonderful improvements that you make in the lives of the businesses, their associates, their family, whatever it is that you're selling. Remind yourself of that. Get grateful of the fact that you get to make the world a better place, and then you'll naturally convey excitement. I'm not saying you have to use the word excited. I'd like you to use it when you can in an honest way. But at the end of the day, when you put your head on the pillow, I want you to know that you gave it your all, and I want your customers to know that you gave a crap, right? And nobody else is doing that. I don't know if they give a crap or not, but they're not saying it.
Yes, sir. All right.
Awesome.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. That's enough for this week.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.